Hey everyone! You've probably seen those crazy AI mukbang videos going viral lately.
This is so hot, but so good.
Want to make one like this? Good news, it's super easy. In this video, I'll show you how to create one step-by-step using HitPaw Edimakor. Stick around till the end. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open HitPaw Edimakor. First, launch HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't installed it yet, no worries. The download link is in the description. Once installed, open the software and click on New Project to get started. Step 2. Generate AI mukbang scene. Click on AI video from the left panel, then select Text to Video. Type your prompt describing the mukbang scene you want to create. Use the prompt tag feature to choose the subject, style, lighting, and more for better results. You can also use ChatGPT to help with prompts. Step 3. Set video preferences. Scroll down to choose the video duration, resolution, and aspect ratio. Once everything is set, hit Generate. And your AI mukbang video will be ready in just a few minutes. Step 4. Add AI Voiceover. To make your video more realistic, add a voiceover and eating sound effects. Go to the text-to-speech section, paste your script, and choose your preferred voice, style, and language. You can even clone your own voice. Watch the tutorial video if you need help with that. Next, add eating and chewing sound effects to match the visuals. And that's it. Your mukbang video is ready to go.
I love spicy food.
Pretty cool, right? If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.